Hello people, today I wanted to show you how to fix soft image small text because I have 4K resolution monitor and I will show you what to do because you barely see lectures. I know solution how to fix small lectures when you work inside the program application Softimage. Normally, I did online research. It is still possible to resize text when you use 4K monitor when you run application Softimage. I will show you now how to fix problem of the small text and icons. I found a proper solution. You have to open location file where exe file is, properties, where compatibility, change the high DPI settings. I open this program and what you choose system enhanced. System enhanced, this option. And you should run now your application in high resolution. Hopefully, wait a minute. I should run Softimage from the desktop. Don't run from location file. It will open up in a minute. Now we have fixed our small text issue. You can see I have high resolution lectures. It looks okay. For me, it looks okay. I hope you like my fix. Only fonts are a little bit blurry, but apart from that, everything is working okay. And I hope you like my video tutorial, because sometimes I use this application because you have render engine built in. You can use Cycles render engine inside Softimage. Oh, because this application, the support has not been abandoned. Development and support is not completely abandoned by third-party people, by people. I will show you something. When you do two cycles 2, this render engine is based on Cycles render engine, Cycles 2.1. It's not completely abandoned the development of the software Softimage. I hope you like my video tutorial, people. And of course, see you later if you have any questions. I paid for my monitor £179. It is Samsung. I will publish probably review 32-inch Samsung 4K monitor. It is night and day difference when you work with that type of monitor. Comparing to 4K, when you compare 4K monitor to resolution 2K, is massive difference. Everything seems to be sharp and smooth. Because I have also 2K monitor, but it is huge difference between 2K resolution and 4K resolution.